So I was gonna bleach my whole head, but I don't really want to do that. I really want to go orange again badly before I go to the beach tomorrow. And this is what I have. I have a lot of like light colored blue, but I'm hoping it's light enough that the orange could go over it because it's sunset orange. And I might even add a little bit of poison in it, or poison, whatever, from Arctic Fox. So I was gonna mix them, and then I have a little bit of diluter and another thing of diluter if I need it. So just wish me luck. We're gonna section it off. It should be fine. So in here I have some of the sunset orange, some of the poison, and some of the diluter. So I'm gonna mix this all together and see what color we have. Alrighty, let's do this side first. Oh gosh. And it might be like dark in some spots, but I mean, we're going over a dark color, so I mean, that's what happens. We'll see. We're gonna find out what's gonna happen. I have a bleach kit too, so like I can go and bleach my hair whenever I need to, which I'm not concerned about. I've been curious about if I didn't bleach this, what it would be. And it looks like the roots are just going to be a little bit darker, which I'm like fine with, because when my hair grows in, it's going to be brown anyways. So there's this piece.
Gab's World.